What's really inside your teeth?
You'll never guess this.
You brush them, you floss them, you use them every single day. But have you ever really thought about what's inside your teeth?
Today, we'll dive deep into your mouth and explore the incredible anatomy of a tooth.
And trust me,
It's not just white enamel.
each tooth is made of 4 main layers.
1. Enamel, the hard, white outer layer. It's the strongest substance in the human body, even harder than bone.
2. Dentin, a yellowish layer beneath enamel.
It's softer and full of tiny tubules that lead to the nerve. 3. Pulp, the soft center of the tooth.
This is where the nerves and blood vessels live.
If you've had a toothache, blame the pulp.
4. Cementum covers the root and helps anchor the tooth in your jawbone. Your mouth isn't just filled with random teeth, each one has a role.
Incisors, front teeth sharp and perfect for cutting. Canines pointed for tearing food. Premolars flat with ridges for grinding. Molars large. Strong teeth for crushing and chewing. You have 32 adult teeth, including 4 wisdom teeth, though many people have them removed. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts. Enamel doesn't regenerate once it's gone. It's gone. Teeth start forming before you're born, but baby teeth erupt around 6 months. The pulp can detect heat, cold, and pressure, which is why cavities can really hurt. Your bite force is over 160 pounds per square inch, strong enough to crack a nutshell.
Teeth are the only part of the body that can't heal itself completely.
Every tooth is unique, just like a fingerprint. So, the next time you brush your teeth,
Remember, you're not just cleaning a white surface.
you're caring for a complex structure that's been evolving for millions of years. This is educational content.
And if you love learning about how your body works,
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing anatomy facts.